Welcome back to the Language of Tea YouTube channel. Matcha tea ceremony is a traditional part of Japanese culture. This ceremonial preparation of matcha, powdered green tea, is called chanoyu or chado, which translates to the way of tea. While the ceremony can vary slightly depending on the school or tradition, the core steps and practices remain consistent. The matcha tea ceremony is more than just making tea. It is a meditative ritual emphasizing harmony, respect, purity, and tranquility. The tea room is carefully prepared to reflect purity and simplicity. Guests come in and sit on tatami mats in the tea room. The host carefully and deliberately cleans the utensils in front of the guests using specific, graceful motions. This symbolizes purification, and the attention to detail sets the tone for mindfulness. Now it's time to prepare the matcha tea. Search for our video that gives you in detail how to prepare a perfect cup of matcha tea. Boiling water in a special iron kettle, scooping matcha the matcha powder using a bamboo tea scoop, chashaku, into the tea bowl, chawan. Adding a small amount of hot water into the tea bowl over the matcha powder. Now ready for the whisking. Using a bamboo whisk, chasen, the host whisks the matcha and water together in a specific motion to create a frothy, smooth consistency. When done, the host offers the bowl of tea to the guest of honor, who bows and thanks the host. The guest rotates the bowl slightly before drinking, ensuring the front is not touched directly by the lips. The guest takes a few sips of the tea and wipes the rim with a napkin, and return it to the host with a bow. The process is repeated for all guests. To conclude the ceremony, it's time for cleansing the utensils. The host carefully cleans the utensils again after everyone has finished their tea. This is done with the same mindfulness as the preparation. The ceremony concludes with a final bow, and guests leave the tea room in silence. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned more about the beauty of tea. Hit like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.